Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we will be talking about a little bit about different coins, right? Because we did get a nice pullback on Bitcoin, and right now for some coins, or should I say for some alts, it's really time to buy. And you know, it would be better if we cover them a little bit more than just one this time around, because this opportunity might actually pass rather quickly, right? But before we do that, right, let's just check quickly Bitcoin, how it actually reacted on this fall down. And we can see, you know, we already have this area. We've displayed this area many times in the streams already, and you can see that we already mentioned this a couple of times that if this in this area, if we start getting a little bit of sideways, we will start going for shorts. But sadly, this short happened literally in the middle of the night for me. As you can see, it was really late for night, and I know I'm shooting this video a little bit late at night as well, but today I actually haven't had time to do it before, right? So right now, my first move, what I'm gonna do is, if Bitcoin now goes for a pullback right here, and yes, I would like to state that on high time frames, Bitcoin is pretty much still bullish. But you know, for us, when you go tune down to like 1 hour or even 4 hour right now, you can see that we lost a little bit of a significant level on the left side, right? This was the first level that we actually lost on all the way up from 10k, right? This is the first time that we actually lost something. And since that has happened for the first time since we actually lost something, I will be actually moving in with a little bit of a short motion right now. So the area for my short is going to be right there. So you can see from 18,800 all the way down to 18 grand. So it's a little bit of a wide area, but if you don't want to be missed, you gotta be taking it like this. Obviously the stops will be placed up top in case of the weeks, right? So you can see it's about about 600 700 stop loss, and the trade will be looking like kind of like this. And this is just a beginning trade, right? This is just the beginning building position. Obviously it could be a little bit more, if you want it a little bit more tighter, take it on a bit of a top of the box. If you're taking it on the top of the box, the stop loss is quite like $500, so it's pretty good. And this is actually crucial for me to do right now, because it's the first kind of a sign of reversal that we could get a little bit of a deeper retest and perhaps even test all the way down to 14, or should I say 13k. In this case, you would see that this is quite a bit of a money. So I'll put a line, I mean, I'm gonna put the box right there from 13 to 14k right here, right? That would be nice. And if we measure that in percentages, that would lead us to about 5 grand. Yes. So you can see quite a high reward if that one does play out, right? So the next one I want to talk about, again, we're gonna check about XRP, right? XRP, I did video last night, and you can see already that XRP was perfectly filled on our area, most perfectly filled on our area, and right now heading towards our profit take. You can see XRP doing absolutely fantastic for us. It's heading towards first profit take, and the idea behind this now really is that most of the money from Bitcoin is gonna flow now into alts, right? And this could perhaps even mean a good thing for Ethereum as well. So we will check Ethereum as well. But for XRP, we did a video last night, and this was the entry. You can see the entry was perfectly hit in this case. The stop loss was good as well. So right now I wouldn't be doing anything more on XRP. I would just be taking a profit take right here, as we already stated, and then see what the fuck it's gonna do in that area. Right here, if it's gonna, you know, go, oops, if it's gonna go sideways in that area, or it's gonna, you know, start going sideways and then moving down again. We will see what happens there. But the idea is that we go in this area, we start gaining it a little bit, and after we start gaining the area, we will then go up to the upper area. That would be kind of the best possible plan for us right now to happen, right? And I do hope it's gonna happen. So the next one people then want to check, it would be Ethereum. Wait, let me check this. Yes. So Ethereum again, Ethereum came down to our box, the box that we've had for some time right now, and we still say that it's pretty much longable box, as you can remember, and this one was filled as well. But we never stated where is the profit take for Ethereum, right? So we already said the first time around, before we went all the way up there, that we should be taking some profits off from Ethereum from $600, and then we decided against it because we will be taking profits a little bit higher, right? We will be taking it a little bit higher due to the fact that Bitcoin has stretched so much. So, you know, we were expecting that Ethereum is going to stretch as well. In this case, Ethereum crashed as well, and you can see Ethereum crashed quite significantly, 20%, which Bitcoin didn't. So I'm gonna say to some recollection, Ethereum did its job again, because Ethereum, when it goes up, it overreacts, when it goes down, it overreacts, and it did that stuff again. So right now, again, we longed Ethereum in this box as it was planned from the stream, and right now we're gonna be taking it all the way to up here, which is gonna be TPing before $600. I know this is still very much bullish, and you can just confirm the bullishness and you can still go higher, but this time around I gotta keep it safe, and I really gotta TP it at like $580 to $600. I really gotta be now TPing it here, just to, you know, to bring safety to my position. And you can still see we've been holding this long for long time, so it's not really that bad at all, right? So one coin I also wanted to talk about is Link. Yes, Link is very interesting coin, and we had lots of good trades on it. But now, after seeing Link, I'm seeing one thing, right? If we start closing dailies, daily positions underneath here, and right now you can see that we haven't really yet, right? If we go on daily, we see that we are just barely closed in this position. So right now, this could be a good position to long, actually, right? This could be a really good position to go on a small time frame like this and actually smash a long on Link, right? It's not a bad position, because from what you expect from here, that it's gonna go all the way up to like something like this, right? This is gonna be a box. So yes, oops, maybe it can be a little bit higher as well. Like, so you're expecting it to go to 4.5 to $15, right? Something like that. Now, if it starts losing this area, then I will start obviously shorting it as well on the pullback, because I do think that the era of Link could go on a little bit of a bigger retracement that we originally planned. But if it stays in this area, and it does apparently like it's doing right now, then I do think it could be a good long that could net you an extra 15 to 20%, something like that. It's not too much, right? But it's also still good. If it's gonna be taking it too long, then it's the same plan that Bitcoin, you know, basically shorting it right here with the stop loss above. So that would be like $15, and the stop loss would be at like $16. So the stop loss wouldn't be that fat after all. It would be like 6%, which is pretty good, right? So you can see, guys, multiple options today, multiple options, you know, finally got a pullback on Bitcoin, and you can see why multiple options we get. So please, guys, do show us some love, you know, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us in 4C community channel, right, where we do this kind of videos, where we post all about Bitcoin analysis, or Ethereum, or plenty of coins like that, right? So yes, do help us out, do like the button, do smash the like button, and we will be seeing each other in the next one.